How to soft reset iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. On this page, scroll down to the end and tap on Shut Down. After that, restart your phone to perform a soft reset. A soft reset on an iPhone simply means performing a normal restart by turning the device off and then back on. This is the best first troubleshooting step for minor glitches, unresponsive apps, or slow performance, and it does not erase any of your data. Following these steps, you can easily soft reset iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.